guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing this purple halo eye look for you guys for New Year's Eve or just for anything. But this is a great look for you guys to have fun on New Year's Eve and party, and you'll be looking like the life of the party with this bold eye look and just the glistening on the eyelids. Let me close my eyes for you. Look. It's so freaking cute. I love it, guys. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching my video. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime this eye, well, conceal this eye, because I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee as always. We're just gonna be setting the base of my eyeshadow. So I set the base of my eye with Fit Me by Maybelline in the color 35, which is deep. And I just take a large blending brush and pat it all over my eye. Once you have your base set, we're going to jump right into the Morphe 35B palette, and we're going to be using this bright pink shade out the palette. This is going to be our first transition color. And you just want to build this color slowly. And you kind of want this color to almost be touching the brow. So I took this color down and bridging my nose just a little bit to give it more of that dramatic effect. Alright, moving on to the next color, we're going to be taking this deep purple out of the same palette that we used, and this is going to be going into our crease. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go back in with that pink to add that pink back into our lives. Okay, so now it's time for us to cut our crease, and we're going to go in with the same concealer that we used to set our eyes, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. Okay, so once I've got to the middle of cutting my crease, the one way I know how far my crease should go up is I just look up and then I look back down, and then it will tell you how far up you can go. So it kind of like cuts your crease for you. So I'm going back in with my Fit Me by Maybelline to set my cut crease. So taking the deep purple shade that we used earlier out of the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking that color into my inner and outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going to bring it towards the middle just a little bit, not too much. Now using the same pink color that we used earlier, I'm going to put it right next to the purple shade, and I'm going to blend those two colors together, kind of bringing it into the center of my eye. Alright, so for the middle of the halo eye, I took my Tarteist Pro Remix palette and I used the color Art Deco and put that right in the center of it. So I really ended up covering this color. I really didn't show it in this eye because when I did this eye, I thought that's the color I wanted to use, but I ended up covering it with a different shadow. So now I'm going to take the Brightman and ColourPop Wet eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Thickums out the palette. So as y'all guys can see, that baby is pigmented. Alright you guys, so I am back. I have put on my other eyelash. I've done my base, my concealer, my contour, and setting my face, and now I am going to move on to highlighter. Actually, no, I'm not moving on to eyeliner. So now I'm going to move on to smoking my under eye. So I'm going to be taking a flat blending brush, and I'm going to use the pink color that I used out of the palette, the same pink color that I used out of the Morphe palette. And I am just going to tap off the excess powder, and then we're going to put this under my waterline. Now I'm going to be taking my tapered smudge brush using the purple shade that we used earlier out of the Morphe palette to put it closer to my waterline. And I'm not going to go all the way into the middle of my waterline, because I am going to be taking the silver color that we use. I'm going to put that in the middle. So you just want to put the purple colors, just like what you did on top of your lid, on the outer corners of your waterline. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking Juvia's Place Loose Powder Highlighter, and it is in the color Nubia. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really love how this look came out, you guys. I kept just Carmex on my lips because I didn't want to put something too bold on my lips because my eyes are already bold. So I just kept them simple and glossy. I really think this is super, 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 super cute. If you're feeling like going purple on New Year's, go purple on New Year's. I really love it. You guys, I'm just feeling myself. Like, this is just, wow, this halo eye is everything to me right now. Like, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below some ideas you have for me. Comment down below your thoughts on this look I did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded, which will be in the new year 2019, coming back stronger because your girl just gotta get content out for you guys. I'm gonna try to be on it more. So yeah, happy New Year's to you guys, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.